Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to JASMY video update, and we are coming down once again for JASMY. Bitcoin is actually looking a little bit ugly at the moment. So we met the technical target, nearly met the technical target, but it seems like now we might see Bitcoin causing trouble because volume is dropping, buyers are stepping out, it's selling time. It seems like there's a lot of selling pressure going on at the moment. So for one thing is very clear: in the next 2 hours 15 minutes, if you do come down to this level 446 from 445, from 45 actually, then you're going to be printing in an evening star. So let's talk about that one very quickly right there, and I'm just going to show you the evening star right here, and boom. Okay, so at the moment it's going to be that green candle doji and the red candle next to it. So basically if you end up closing like that, then one thing is clear: you're gonna have to come back above 4655, because if you soon come up and break this particular pattern, then there could be chances of actually going up to 49. Now finger crossed. To me personally, this seems like a local correction done to the upside, and from here you could potentially start to go even lower. So what I'm going to do is take the fibs once again and take the lowest part of it to the highest part of that thing. So what I'm looking forward to is the following. So if you do come down to 4415, we're looking to create the reverse wave down to 3835 at the moment. So if you do something like that, unless it doesn't happen, then you're gonna be looking for 13% drop to the downside, and even should be showing the same thing. 13% drops are being shown on the charts at the moment, and that's pretty much it for this JASMY. Just a very quick one. Can you break above that evening star, or you're gonna come down to lose the 4415? We're gonna see. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this update. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.